Bitcoin is absolutely collapsing right now. In this video, I want to explain to you the next steps for Bitcoin and how you can best prepare yourself for the next stage of the cycle. Bitcoin itself and investing into Bitcoin has allowed me to live a life like this on islands, beautiful, massive houses, and good vibes. And hopefully, it will allow you to live the same life if you take action on the steps I am about to give you in this video. So first things first, let's just go over the price of Bitcoin itself, and then we'll go over the price of altcoins. So as you can see here, okay, if I just move this out of the way, Bitcoin has just broken down out of a very, very key area. And this is usually the free fall. This is where the free fall begins, right? It's where everybody starts capitulating, liquidations happen left, right, and center. And hopefully right now you haven't been liquidated, because it's about to get very, very peak. It's about to get very, very peak for the market. We can already see that BTC from the current week is already down over 10%. And historically, these dips can go down as low as 20 to 30%. So if we go from the high over here, we're currently at a 20% dip. If we go down 30%, we could see BTC go as low as $50,000. Okay, so don't be afraid if Bitcoin goes down to 50k. It's not that bad, right? Zoom out, guys, zoom out. If you got into the market at any of these times during October 2023 all the way to April, you should be in some type of profit, especially if you follow me on this channel, right? BTC from the bottom to the top is still over 100% up, right? Now, let's not get started if you got into the market even earlier, okay? It's not the same to say for some of these other altcoins, okay? If you look at Polkadot, we are currently breaking down right now. If you look at Elrond's getting wrecked. If you look at Ethereum was also getting wrecked. And the list goes on, right? FTM is also on a pullback right now too. But there are plenty of opportunities out there. For example, FTM is not that bad. Like, guys, this is not that bad. As a chart, as you can see, breaking up, come down, this would be a retest, right? It's still strong. So what I'm doing right now is something different to most people. I'm not looking for, even though I love Polkadot, I really do, and I have a bag of Polkadot. It is one of my top 20 coins. This isn't the coins that I'm looking for right now on this dip. I'm looking for coins which have a stronger chart and are currently on a pullback. For example, FTM is one of my main buys right now, simply because if you look from the bottom to the highs, it was a 5x this cycle already, but I think we're down more than 30%, 50% now, right? About 48% on this pullback. If we come down here, that'll be a 56% discount FTM. And the FTM will be the first to go for the next leg up, simply because it's so strong, okay? The next token I'm also looking at over here is actually Chainlink, if we find it here. Okay, and the reason for that is because Chainlink, again, was very strong. It had a very, very strong rally from the bottom to the top. I think it was over 100%, well, 4812 was well over 100%. It's a 342% return. And now we're on a pullback again. From the highs, I think we come down to here, which again will be a 58% discount on Chainlink. So I'm looking to get into Chainlink around about $10 if we do break down. That'll be a very, very strong level. And again, another retest of the level here. We had a retest here. Again, that will be a test here. So anywhere in this range here is a very, very good point for Chainlink. Again, another great buy. Okay, another one is RSR. If we do find it somewhere, is it just there? Right, RSR again. We've seen RSR do a great rise from the lows, okay, to the highs. So if you look from down here, all the way up here, you can see that was almost a 7x return. Okay, and now again, RSR from the highs to the lows is already 60% discount. Okay, we could even go a little bit lower, right? If we go any lower, that would be like a 70% discount. So RSR, from this level where we're almost approaching to right now, even this level here, they're great buys, right? And those buys are at 0.0045, okay? and also 0.0036. So all of those coins, guys, are amazing buys. They're great levels for you to decide to invest into. Your problem that you're probably going to have right now is conviction. Now, I want to leave you with this. Do not let the price of an asset dictate your conviction. Because the moment that you do, you will never develop true conviction because it will be based on how much the chart is going up. Think about this. Just because it's up, it's in the green and everyone's talking about it. Do you think people are talking about it because it's great tech? No, they're shilling at you because they've got a bag in it. It's that simple. So instead of being that person, the other person's exit liquidity, you need to decide to start getting in early. And you do that by buying while the market is in red. There are many ways to do this. For example, RV looping. Go and check it out. Dollar cost averaging. Starting a service-based business in Web3. Another video which I'll be releasing on my YouTube channel. You must have cash flow. You must be working hard in your business right now. And you must start taking some risks. Because in 3 to 6 months, guys, I'm going to show you one last time before I leave this video. The whole market, first of all, 90% of these coins I'm showing you will pass their all-time high, right? Most of them should do. They're strong coins, right? But Bitcoin itself, historically, right, one of the things I was showing here is not 147 days. It is 45 days. What's that? 107. It's about here. Even smaller than that. Just so you know. Historically, Bitcoin only has 45 days of this price action. After that, it's altcoin season. And when this happens, BTC will skyrocket. You will see BTC do something like this and go up to the 100K levels. This area here is not long. It's not long enough for you to wait, guys. Right? It's not long enough. Now is the time. Any liquidity, I'm going to say it, all in. All in. Because in 6 to 12 months, you will thank yourself for taking a risk. So, thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Check out this video here for a completely free course on everything you need to know about investing into the crypto space, due diligence, risk management, the best exchanges you need to have, and the best communities to join. My name is Tyrell, and I'll show you how to make money online and invest the profits.